I was eating on the strawberry earlier, and I also made tangulu. Anyway, I'm just going to cut my strawberry into tiny pieces. I want to do more videos showing my face, but the issue is that listen, I'm a hijabi, and if I'm not going outside, then the chances of me putting on my hijab are slim to none. Inshallah, I'll make more videos showing my face, but for now, it's just gonna be this type of style. Okay, I had a blender, but my blender broke. So I'm gonna just mush them with a fork. Kind of going with some agave. If you have a if you have a blender, this would be a lot easier and a lot better. So I definitely recommend the blender if you have one. I'm just heating up the water. I'm just gonna add my strawberries. For this matcha brand, has anyone else tried it? It's super good. I'm so impressed. This is definitely my favorite matcha right now, and I'm super impressed about how good it is. But the sad part is that it's sold out every single where. And I also have this one. I swear I thought I got it in a can, but it came in a bag, which is totally okay. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of matcha. I like my matcha strong, so if you're someone who likes light matcha, then I definitely recommend adding less. Add a little bit more water. I'm gonna whisk in a W motion. Stuff, but of course you can add sweetener to yours, but I'm trying to cut sugar when I have so much of it. But there you go. Cheers to strawberry matcha. Bismillah.